Every year, consumers spend billions of dollars trying to outsmart human biology. We chase complex biohacking routines and swallow an endless supply of expensive, isolated chemical supplements to fix our bodies. Biology rarely operates in isolated, single chemical pathways. When we try to solve a complex biological problem by extracting and isolating a single synthetic compound, we overlook millions of years of evolutionary design. Large-scale studies on heart health, immune function, and aging have identified a group of common kitchen staples that show measurable impacts on cellular health. These findings suggest that concentrated nutrition from whole sources often outperforms isolated laboratory mimics. While superfood is a marketing term, it describes ingredients that function as highly concentrated, nutrient-dense biological tools. Health optimization involves strategically applying these natural tools to upgrade the body's interconnected biological systems, from the brain to the heart to the gut. The brain is a high-energy biological engine. This energy production creates a daily byproduct of intense oxidative stress that can damage neurological cells over time. This diagram shows a cell attacked by jagged oxidative stress particles. Blueberries provide antioxidants that neutralize them. Next, notice the smooth lipid layer forming around the boundary. Omega-3s in salmon construct that protective shield. Adding eggs to this diet provides choline and vitamin D, which together facilitate muscle growth and neurological communication across these protected cells. Combining blueberries, salmon, and eggs provides the specific resources required to defend, build, and repair the neurological command center. The cardiovascular system functions as a network of plumbing and pumps. Like any mechanical system, it requires daily maintenance to prevent structural breakdown. Extra virgin olive oil and avocados provide monounsaturated fats that protect the interior walls of this network, keeping the system lubricated and flexible. This animation shows a blood vessel cross-section. The sweeping wave is beta-glucan, a specialized fiber in oats that clears static debris. Next, the walls take on a cool tone as compounds from nuts, garlic, and green tea reduce inflammation. Cardiovascular failure is typically the result of long-term structural degradation. These foods provide the daily maintenance necessary to support that structure before issues arise. The human gut governs the majority of the body's immune response and directly regulates mood through the enteric nervous system. In this macro video, we see microscopic glowing organisms multiplying and connecting. These probiotics populate the internal defense network. Greek yogurt serves as a delivery system for these living bacteria, required for a healthy gut. These living bacteria require fuel. Beans provide a dense package of plant protein, dietary fiber, and iron to sustain this internal population. Broccoli and sweet potatoes add vitamins C, K, and A to the system, acting as structural support for this immune network. A fortified gut environment dictates the overall health and resilience of the body's other biological systems. Among all the food categories studied, leafy greens like spinach and kale consistently show the strongest clinical correlations with reduced risk for chronic disease across all body systems. This is due to their unique biological profile. They contain a high concentration of essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, while contributing almost no caloric load to the system. This radar chart compares caloric density to nutrient density. Leafy greens max out the nutrient access while remaining at the near zero point for calories. This density profile is what allows them to support the brain, heart, and gut simultaneously. Because of this efficiency, leafy greens act as the structural base for the human diet. The more specialized superfoods rely on this foundation to function at their peak capacity. A single serving of spinach or a handful of blueberries cannot reverse the systemic damage caused by a sedentary lifestyle or a poor overall diet. True health requires biological synergy. This means eating a wide variety of these nutrient-rich foods consistently over time to see a cumulative effect. This dietary pattern must be paired with movement, sleep, and consistent daily habits to produce measurable results. Start by adding one handful of leafy greens to your plate every day this week. Let us know in the comments which of these 15 foods you already eat regularly. Biological optimization involves the daily practice of providing the body with the specific natural resources it needs for self-protection.